Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Thanks for always coming back to watch another video from me. In today's video, I'll be showing you the easiest way to make your gorontula syrup. If you're interested, please keep on watching. In today's tutorial, I'll be using just 6 gorontula fruits. This can be called the silky cola, the gorontula locally known in Nigeria. I'll be using just 6. I have 3 big ones and 3 smaller ones, but this is for tutorial purpose. So the first thing I'll do is to wash my gorontula. After washing the gorontula, I proceed to soak it for 2 minutes, then I start cracking it open. Now you see that silky thing that comes out of that gorontula. That is what we want to extract. We want to extract this silky thing that is healthy for us, that is healthy for the female organ. Okay, so that is what we are going to proceed to extract. So this is all the broken gorontula. I've broken them all. I didn't take out the seeds. You can take out the seeds if you want. I didn't take out my own seeds. But the next thing I'm going to do now is to bring a pot of water. This is about 2 cups of water. You can take less, but if you're preparing more gorontula, please take more water. Okay, I'm just preparing 6 gorontula. So next I'm going to add my fenugreek seeds. Okay, these seeds are important. This is going to be a herbal gorontula. The next thing I'm going to add is my clove. While taking this gorontula, you want to ensure that the area is healthy and no infections whatsoever. So the next thing I'm going to add is my fennel seed. Fennel seed helps in boosting the hormones and also help in aphrodiasiac. Okay, the next thing I'm going to add is flaxseed. Flaxseed contains omega-3 fatty acid, which is very important to the human body. So I'm going to include this flaxseed to the gorontula so that when it boils out those nutrients out of it, our gorontula will be very effective and potent as well. Flaxseed also helps to boost libido. So I'm going to proceed now to cook my gorontula. I'm going to cook this gorontula for 15 to 20 minutes, and when I'm done cooking it, I'm going to bring it down from the fire and strain. Okay, now you see that slimy juice, it has boiled out. If this gorontula was more, the juice was going to be very thick at the end of the day. But anyhow, this is for tutorial purpose. So now I'm going to filter the gorontula, taking out the juice, taking only the juice and putting away the remnants. Some people also go ahead to pound this and also cook it again. If that is okay by you, you can do that, but this is just fine for me. Okay, now you see that slimy thing. You see the way the consistency of the water has changed as it becomes slimy. The gorontula has boiled out its nutrients into the oil, same as the other ingredients we incorporated into the gorontula before cooking. So if after cooking your gorontula you end up with a kind of slightly liquidy substance and you want it more thick, you can proceed to this next step. The next step is going to be cooking this liquid again till it becomes very thick, just as what you will see next. Yes, so this is how thick this liquid is. The next thing I'm going to add now is my honey, because of course we want to sweeten up this gorontula so it'll be easy for us to take it. So I'm going to be adding my honey. I'm not adding all because I'm working with just very little gorontula. Okay, so if you're making more gorontula, that means more honey. So I'm just going to go ahead and stir this together and mix the honey. Mind you, this the gorontula is still kind of hot, so I'm mixing it at the same time so it doesn't get cold and solidifies. If you do not mix well when the gorontula syrup is still hot, it's going to solidify when it gets cold. Okay, and we don't want that. So no matter how liquid it looks, even after adding the honey, when it solidifies, it's going to come together and become very thick. Okay, So guys, this is what our syrup looks like. You can see it has become very thick, and this syrup is very sweet as well. Okay, this is the way to take the syrup if you're looking to boost your libido, looking to ensure wetness when you're doing it with your partner. Okay, this is a libido booster and an aphrodisiac. Please take 1 tablespoon before you get into the activity. Okay, take 1 tablespoon. 1 tablespoon will be enough. If you want to get into the activity today, you've planned out for it, take it in the morning and take it in the night. This syrup doesn't only boost your libido, it also keeps your system very clean and pure. Okay, it ensures a healthy organ, no smell whatsoever, no stink, no infections as well. The clove in this mixture is going to combat every infection. So I'm going to go ahead and transfer my syrup in a bottle, and please store this syrup in the refrigerator. Okay, store it in the refrigerator, don't store in the freezer. And this is what you should end up with. Mind you, if this cools down properly, it gets thicker, so just be sure of getting a thicker Gorontula syrup. So we've gotten to the end of this video. If you enjoyed, please give it a huge thumbs up. Make sure to subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Share my videos, and I will see you guys very soon. Bye bye.